Assalamu alaikum. In this video we will solve some of the questions. Question number 5 to question number 7 of our paper A-level mathematics, May June 19. Let's start. Here we have question number 5. In this problem we are given the perimeter of sector OBC is twice the perimeter of sector AOC, and we have to find the value of theta, the angle AOC. For this we need the lengths of arc BC and the length of arc AC. We can easily find these lengths by using the formula arc length is equal to arc theta. So BC, the arc BC is equal to r times pi minus theta, and the arc AC is equal to r times theta. Now by solving this equation and making theta as a subject, we have the value theta is equal to 0.38 as required. Here we have question number 6. In this problem we have to find the maximum and minimum value of a curve and a line. The curve is y is equal to 3 cos 2x. We know that the maximum value of cos 2x is 1 and the minimum value is minus 1. Now multiplying this inequality by 3, we can have the maximum and minimum value, that is 3 and minus 3. The answer. For the line, put x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 2 pi in this equation, the equation of line. We can have two values of y, that is 2.5, and y is equal to minus 0.5. So the maximum value is 2.5 and the minimum value is minus 0.5. In second part, we have to sketch the curve and the line. As the coefficient of cos 2x is 3, so the amplitude of cosine curve should be 3, and as the coefficient of x is 2, so we should have 2 complete period of cosine curve. For the sketch of line, just join these 2 points. In last part, we have to find the number of solutions of the equation. Number of solutions are equal to the number of intersections of 2 graphs. Here we can see that there are 4 intersections. Hence, the equation has 4 solutions. Question number 7. In first part, we have to find f inverse of x and g inverse of x. For this, put f of x is equal to y and make x as the subject. Hence, f inverse of x is equal to x plus 2 over 3. For g inverse of x, put g of x is equal to y and rearrange to make x as the subject. Finally, g inverse of x is equal to x minus 3 over x minus 2. G inverse of x is not defined where its denominator is 0. So x minus 2 should not be equal to 0. Means x should not be equal to 0. So g inverse of x is not defined for x is equal to 2. In second part of the question, we have to solve the equation f g of x is equal to 7 over 3. For this, consider f of x is equal to 3x minus 2. Now put x is equal to g of x. Now on the right hand side, put the value of g of x. And on left hand side, put the value of fg of x, that is 7 over 3. To get this equation. Now by solving this equation, we can have the value of x, that is minus 8, as required. The final answer of this problem. In next video, we will solve the remaining questions. Take care. Allah Hafiz.